We have just created more crispy caramelized meaty goodness. Tell me something else that fills up a crack this good. Selling pig's lips and arseholes as food? That should be illegal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make spiral hot dogs on a stick. So just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. Now, cooking time for this recipe is 5 minutes. Or for those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Cheers. And while you're here, you might as well subscribe, like, comment, share. It really does help. To make spiral hot dogs, you're going to need some hot dogs. Any brand or size you like, it really doesn't matter. Just make sure they are skinless and grab as many as you need. I say 2 per person is a good start. Hey, stop calling hot dogs wieners. Boys have wieners. You're just telling everyone that you love to shove a wiener in your mouth. Smart, I think. Now we need to prep these hot dogs for spiraling. Grabbing a large wooden skewer, we need to grab the hot dog firmly and insert the skewer into the tip of it.
Oh, hell no!
Pushing all the way through until you see the skewer pop out the other end. Now if you do push through the side of your hot dog with the skewer, just pull the skewer back out and go again, but be gentle. Then grab a sharp knife and we're going to angle it to the hot dog in the skewer and slice down. And then you're just going to start spinning it, cutting it down to the skewer, creating a spiral effect. And if you listen to my instructions, you'll have something that looks like this. Place them into a tray until you get your barbecue ready. Today, I'm going to be using my Weber Go Anywhere, or GA as they're known, because I want to be grilling over direct heat. And how I'll do that is by removing the lid, because we don't need that today, and we may as well get the grill out, ready for the charcoal. I'm then going to open up all the vents, and this is just going to allow as much airflow to our fuel as possible. Then I'll half fill a chimney starter up with lump charcoal. I'll light it up. Once it's fully ashed over, I'll dump it into the GA. And then using an old pair of tongs, I'm just going to spread the charcoal out so we get even heat throughout the GA. I'll carefully place the grill back in. Whoops, wrong grill. We'll put the right grill on, and we'll let that warm up for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, that grill has got really hot. What does that mean? That means that metal has expanded and all the pores have opened right up. We can now oil up the cooking grate, and this is going to create a non-stick surface. Hot dogs. Something Germany pushed on the rest of the world that was warmly accepted. Once the grill is warmed up and you've oiled it up like you do to yourself on a Saturday night,
Say what?
we can place the spiral dogs on the grill. And we're just going to keep turning them, remembering this hot dog mystery substance is already cooked. And once they all look caramelized and crispy, they are done. And that's our cue to remove them from the heat. Now some might say they are perfect, just like this. Dunk in your condiment of choice and eat. Or I say grab a roll and whack this crispy package of caramelized lips and arseholes into it. And just like a band-aid, we need to rip this stick out in one swift movement.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
And now you can add your condiments of choice. Now if you want to know mine, keep up because I'm going to build this quickly. Gherkin relish. It's chunky, sweet and tangy with a blend of gherkin and mustard seed and fills up the slots along the hot dog perfectly. Next up, some finely chopped white onion to add some more sweetness and texture. Sprinkle over as much or as little as you want. And now for the topping, yellow mustard, and give it a good healthy squirt over the top. There's a big debate going on whether or not ketchup should go on a hot dog. And I'm actually going to say no, because this style of hot dog has enough sweetness on it. That's it. Serve them up and enjoy.